Hi everyone, this is my 2020 Honda CB650R. If you're like me, you'd think it's a good looking bike. However, these headers, manifolds or pipes, whatever you want to call them, look a little dirty. This bike is less than a year old and has less than 4,000 kilometers on the clock. Even with the low mileage, look at the state of those headers. They're not dirty. It's a common thing actually. The heat causes the exhaust to turn brown for the case of stainless steel pipes like these on my bike. One of the features that stands out about this bike is its sweeping manifolds that can be clearly seen from the front. The way the pipes sweep downwards to the right is a really cool feature that stands out amongst other bikes. So it's a shame that the heat has somewhat made it look dirty. There's nothing you can do to prevent it, it just happens. Don't worry, there are ways to make the pipes return to its original shine. In this video, I will show you how I made these manifolds go from this to this. First, you have to clean the pipes. Make sure you get rid of any dirt, grime, earth or some sort of roadkill. And make sure it has cooled down, because the next step, which is the heavy polishing, where you wouldn't want to be touching the scalding hot headers. What you need here is the main item, or the elixir metal polish, being Autosol metal polish. Some old raggedy cloth, just some cloth that you don't mind throwing away after using it, and possibly a sponge, so for you to squeeze in between some crevices. Make sure the cloth isn't too thick, as you want to get to the parts that your fingers won't fit. So let's get started. So apply a toothpaste amount of Autosol to your cloth and start working on a specific part. Be sure to apply a little elbow grease to it. You have to be persistent, eventually the color will turn back to normal. If your cloth is getting a little less slippery against these headers, go ahead and squeeze another toothpaste amount of Autosol onto the cloth. As you can see, I just did the first header pipe here. You can definitely see the shine, especially against the other pipes next to it. Unfortunately, this bike is an inline 4, so there are 3 more pipes for me to clean. Now we've done the second header, the shine has come out wonderfully like the first. So let's continue to polish the other 2. From what I feel is that you must be sure to rub with a lot of effort, otherwise these stains won't go away. Another technique is to wrap the cloth around one of the headers, put some Autosol in between and do a little tug, pulling the cloth back and forth. This method will polish the parts that are in between or at the back or on the sides of the headers. Make sure you put in more effort to the parts where there are kinks and crevices to make sure they get some love as well. Alternatively, you could have it easier by using a polishing machine or a drill with a polishing sponge attached. Unfortunately for me, it's manual labor because I don't have that kind of attachment for my drill. Alright, so that was tiring. Took me about 2 hours of intensive scrubbing. And to make sure you get around the pipes as well, as those are some tough to reach areas. There are also some parts that I could not get into easily, as you can see here. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than before. So let's have a preview of the before and after. Massive difference, right? So even though there are parts that I didn't quite polish, as they are difficult to polish, I'm happy with the results. The bike looks refreshed, looking as good as always, even better today that I've shined these headers. Hope you find this video useful. Go ahead and try it out on your own bike. And if you have any questions, inquiries or comments, please write them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, stay safe, ride safe, and have a great day. Bye!